Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into the world of driving in Massachusetts. Your first step towards this exciting journey is understanding the requirements for obtaining a driver's license. So, let's get started. Step 1. Know the requirements. First things first, the age requirement in Massachusetts. You need to be at least 16 years old to apply for a driver's license. However, remember that there are different types of licenses and some of them might have different age requirements. If you are 18 or older and have never held a driver's license before, you must still apply for a permit. However, you do not need to take a driver's ed class or practice driving with a permit. You may simply immediately apply for an unrestricted license after passing the road test. But more about that later. Next, make sure that you have the right documents on hand. Let's go over what you will need. You'll need proof of your identity, like a valid U.S. passport, state-issued ID, or birth certificate, proof of Massachusetts residency, such as a utility bill or rental agreement, and for your social security number, a social security card or a W-2 form would suffice. It's essential to have these documents ready before you start the process, as they are crucial for your application. Remember, having all the necessary documents and meeting the age requirements are the first steps in your driving journey. Step 2. Apply for a learner's permit. If you're under 18, you'll need to get your learner's permit first. The process is simple. You can start by applying online through the Massachusetts Registry of Motor Vehicles, or RMV. Driving begins with this crucial step. The process might seem daunting, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than you think. Start with a visit to your local RMV, armed with your identification documents, and take the written exam. But wait, before you rush off, there's a secret weapon you'll need: the Massachusetts Driver's Manual. You can prepare by studying the Massachusetts Driver's Manual, which is available on the RMV website. It's packed with information about traffic rules, road signs, and safe driving techniques, so make it your best friend until you ace that test. Now, about the written exam itself. The permit test is usually 25 questions and you'll need to get at least 18 correct to pass. The test covers basic driving rules, road signs, and safe driving practices. The key to success here is practice. Take advantage of online practice tests. They'll help you identify your weak spots and get you comfortable with the format of the actual exam. A learner's permit is your golden ticket to start practicing on the road, so make sure you study well for the written exam. Once you pass, you'll get your learner's permit, which allows you to practice driving. But remember, you must have a licensed driver over 21 in the passenger seat with you at all times. Step 3. Driver's education requirements for drivers under 18. Now, if you're under 18, Massachusetts requires that you complete a driver's education program before getting your license. Massachusetts requires a minimum of 50 hours of supervised practice, including 15 hours after sunset. This is to ensure you're well equipped to handle both day and night driving conditions. Also, keep in mind that you'll need to complete 40 hours of supervised driving with a parent or guardian. They'll need to sign a form to confirm that you've done this. Now you might be wondering, where can I find approved or licensed driving schools or instructors? Well, the Massachusetts RMV provides a comprehensive list of state-approved driving schools on their website. Make sure to pick one that suits your needs and schedule. Here are some tips for successful driving practice. First, always remember safety comes first. Always buckle up and obey traffic laws. Second, practice makes perfect. The more you drive, the more comfortable you'll become. Finally, don't rush the process. Take your time to learn and absorb as much as you can. Remember, practice makes perfect. Make the most out of your training hours. Step 5. Taking the road test. Once you've completed your required training and had your learner's permit for at least 6 months, it's time to schedule your road test. This is the final step before getting your license. You can book your road test online through the RMV website, but be sure to schedule it early, as spots can fill up fast. During the road test, an RMV examiner will assess your driving skills, including how well you control the vehicle, your knowledge of and ability to follow traffic laws, and how you respond to unexpected driving situations on the road. The test usually takes about 15 minutes. Practicing essential driving skills is crucial. Master the basics like starting and stopping, turning and parking, then move on to more complex skills like merging and navigating intersections. As for the big day, it's normal to feel a bit nervous, but remember, your examiner wants you to succeed. They're not there to fail you, they're there to ensure you can drive safely. Now it's time to apply for your Massachusetts road test, your final hurdle. On the day of the test, bring a registered and insured vehicle, your learner's permit, and your driver's ed certificate if required. First, you'll need to schedule your road test appointment. This can be done online through the Massachusetts RMV's website. Be sure to choose a date that gives you ample time to prepare. Remember to stay calm, follow instructions, and don't forget to check your mirrors. If you pass, congrats. You'll get your temporary paper license on the spot, and your permanent driver's license will be mailed to you. Now, if you don't pass on your first try, don't worry. You can retake the road test after scheduling another appointment. Just make sure you brush up on any areas where you struggle. Now it's time to apply for the actual license. This involves filling out an application form, also available on the RMV website. Don't forget to pay the appropriate fee. Now here's a crucial point. You must bring all necessary documents to the RMV. This includes proof of identity, residency, and your social security number. And of course, don't forget your successful road test slip. And that's it. You've now got the complete step-by-step guide to getting your driver's license in Massachusetts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and hit the red car subscribe button below for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey.